on behalf of National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as our partner and collaborator in this program, National Disaster Management Authority, Government of India. I'm very happy to have received lot of nominations that have come on a volunteer basis for participation in this program. We didn't have to make much effort in this organization of the particular program because I found lot of interest from all sectors in the field of space, technologies, as well as in disaster management. Being the maiden day of the first year of completion of landing of a rover Vikram on the south pole of moon, it's a celebration of great success story and victory of India's efforts in space sector and recognition of it as a center of excellence, a country which is leading by actions, not by words. So we are proud of our scientists, our leaders, our motivators who have led to this victory. Now, in the field of disaster management, we have been making lot of applications from these space technologies, particularly in the areas which are inaccessible, which we want to overview as a region and understand the various processes and phenomena which are affecting our human lives, livelihoods, living places, as well as resources, economy, infrastructure, environment, utilities, and services. We are here together. I am very proud to say that the Department of Space, ISRO, and NRSC, they have come forward to join hands with us on this occasion. And we are thankful to Secretary, Department of Space, who nominated representatives from NRSC to be part of this inaugural program as well. You know all that recently there was a major landslide in Kerala at Wayanad district where lot of casualties had happened. It was a big event which occurred over a long distance and killed several hundreds of people. More than 300 are expected to have been killed, and still the search and rescue operations are ongoing. Such an area, we cannot deal with it visually by human observations. We need such places, the interventions from space technologies. Our Department of Space actually gathered the information and compared the pre and post images and found out which are the areas and how those interventions have led to the landslide and where can we expect the search and rescue operations to be concentrated, where the mass has gathered and where the people may have been buried. So all these are actually instances and examples where space technology have actually helped. I also remember the Sunday morning of 7th February 2021 when in Chamoli, when a big rock mass failed and the glacier body also got pressed. Along with that, and then the Dholi Ganga and the Rishi Ganga rivers, they were flooded with debris, and two major hydro projects, Rishi Ganga Power Project and the the Tapovan Power Project of the NTPC, both get adversely affected, and we had a casualty of more than 204 people at a particular hydropower project site. These are events which are actually reminding us, and then we are able to use these space images to identify the factors controlling them, causing them, and how we can try to prevent or mitigate those factors which are leading to occurrences of such impactful events. So this is an occasion where we are trying to bring them together, and we'll have technical sessions as well as panel discussion on those different issues. And we are happy to inform here that we got experts from all our nodal agencies which are involved in early warning, communication and dissemination, as well as alerts related to different type of hazards, including cyclones, lightning, earthquake, tsunami, flood, and so on. So it's an occasion, I would say, where we can all find some advantage and key outcomes which you can take home and try to reduce the risk and enhance our resilience. As per our mandate, we have been working on it on a regular basis through various modes of our interactions with our experts and also with these all concerned stakeholders, as we always say in disaster management, all inclusive ecosystem based approach, no one left behind. So we have been dealing with it as per our Sendai framework for DRR, which was declared in 2015 and continues till 2030. And we always say that no one is safe until unless everyone is safe. So it's our duty not only to become aware, informed, and prepared ourselves, but share it with others so that no one remains vulnerable or susceptible to these effects. With these words, I thank each and every one of you for joining hands with us as a team. As we always say, team means together each achieve more. So until unless we join hands together, we cannot achieve the goal of our national policy on disaster management, which is disaster-free and resilient India. And the act actually envisages NIDM to be a regional center of excellence and a global center of excellence, where we are trying to make our efforts, and we did achieve some goals, but still many more goals and destinations to be covered before we actually gain our complete access. And I must share the pleasure that we were successful in achieving our goal in some of the events. Particularly, I can mention the recent Biparjoy cyclone, which landed on 15th June, ended in Gujarat with zero casualty. So where in the previous events there have been thousands of casualties. I still remember 29th October 1999, Odisha super cyclone, where around more than 13,000 casualties have been said to have happened. So we have reached from that day to this time where we are able to actually understand the natural processes as per Sunday framework, which is the first priority. And also we are strengthening our governance and investing in DRR, as well as utilizing the opportunities and lessons learned from the past and the recent events for paving our way for future risk reduction and resilience. So I wish all safe, healthy, good quality life on an equitable, justifiable, and a right-based manner with good fraternity amongst all of us.